omo ye no mama NDC na ye wo no.
All right, ebusuama akwa biom from Ghana and Sem TV eso ukopie mu ewo Atwima Mponua de ya na kire se ebusua NDC fo ewo honom say John Dramani Mahama ediomu yambo ebusuama ko share video yimbra na ewi a ibetwetwe ho nkom
ma sebi NDC ba ya omo ye no na efe ba ise no nyema bi omo ye no mama NDC na ye wo no ye ya nuye ya bless I be bless I campaign and NDC ba power ye be ba no fire tender MPP na de buy. Omo de buy. Sabi NDC buy a omo be fire tender and so omo de call boase. Omo de call boase fire tender omo de bread dada bi. Fire tender na sai be kan na and na Atwima Mponua e ni fire tender. Sabi bibi to yanku oketu obo. Mo na ekodu mo no. Enra ya nya hizongo. Eja to. E fieri shedo be fire tender nya I say, everybody, your friend, baby, Ghana, dear you, Sabi, NDP, on the fire tender, on the machine, I the back. Say a clear for your cocoa, your body, your make your be your body about say, every year, near my bed, a bar, immediately back to Masi, a club never been or a club one event or a couple members, and then I must be a choir and then we took about beer one. That's what I'm about beer. You are here to my come. We are going to fire dream machine. I got a cook machine. Machine Papa, woman ever to be a year. Move a funny out of machine. What the cook was here. I didn't come 1 year. Never bought the enemy came from them. Mumu ba ya mutu ekwadisha akase mu yene ba ya mobo de ne yenya we ye be bi atam cha NDC mu Atwima Mponua bra wo enya sekreto o fale e de ba sia ye wura mo akoyere ye wura we ya small boy aya branch no ye wo ye e be du ba fa de machine kwade a NDC dia agu ha ye to aba biem de machine e de be yi e kwa nkedekete asame members amane ye wuru na ne ene be ko ya ma ye de yi e kwa ya ba bibi ade baba bia Atwima Mponua bia ama ba fa dia mane ni ewu ye ba sia mo anam amwa ko he ewura ye ba sia mo ene dai eye na o tuda ye dia ye ni abere ye ni kwase ye we so binti amane amahu binti na ma ne ye ni abere ye me sia o me ya sambe member e wa ye mra amanwa se electoral area
Udino
from Isa Abdullah aka Ikwapaso
oya assemblyman
all right ebusuya yamo wakwa babiom emfa mbra Ghana and Sem TV eso edi am so any promise o share video here share ebusuya Atwima Mponua I think say is in the Ashanti region nyanyini wo side no em say din no trading no more din etibitimi mboba be fa ne sa omochio mo say eye NDC aban bae na omo fire tender eye the fire service for no use no omefa omo de na wo honom na eye brand new na do dan kwa ekufu ado premai ado gagai ado show boy eto de ma omo no omefa de ko obo ase na omo de ba ku bi ya atete apansam ayese ballers wade no e de bre omo na entimi mbo adwuma entimi embo adwuma na omo kire omo say na nsenya mu nene 4 days ejebi kura to nyanyini wo baabi atete say omantimi anso jana no enam se fire tender no mo no enya papa we na executives a omoye the National Democratic Congress NDC for according to omo ngasa asem omo ka no ekire mu so omo NDC for na de aban no eye no ama omo nu omo ho kra say omo party awa aban mu esan say se wo hwe ade a aban dada no e de bre omo na wa be fade akọ eye baby na wo de asai abre omo na emomu ntimi mfam nya omo day to day activities o hwa drip machines ane esi na echi na o kire mu say e ba yi abanada na de ba yi omo hu de omo de ye ade wo so omo de ye kwanom de ye akwan no mo de ye enema foforo wei ena Ghana fo say esemu ankasa esanse ne ye ka asemo say na do dan kwa ekufu ado aban no ba ye no wanya hwe amfa amamo wanya hwe amfa amamo na ne de ba ne sen e na afei de mo amoma ye hu se say na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo obaye no obo adwuma bebre. They say posterity will be kind to Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo because you people emani koye say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo but now so as the president of the Republic of Ghana no onye edwuma e was say oye. But you and I can testify say there's a lot of things Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo as Ghana man penini. And today afei na mohu say the man did a lot of things, and you are here today to come and tell us say this government no buy no fire tender de bra mu e wa Atwima Mponua say mo mfa enye den embua na se ne be je to ba bia motimi de dum no no aban we buy no abetam de free ho e de akọ oboase. What do you want us to do? You claim Saban Papa, so just enjoy. You understand? Aban Papa. This is part of Aban Papa na Abano. Just enjoy the movie. I don't understand you people because this is just the beginning. This is the resetting they are talking about. When they were talking about resetting, what were you thinking in the first place? You thought they were going to do what? This is what the resetting they are talking about. You understand? This is the resetting they are talking about. So you should calm down. This is just the beginning. They are just starting the movie and you guys are already, worried. You guys should relax and calm down because there is more to come. There is more to come, honestly. There is more to come. Because it will get to a time that you people will beg before you even get those equipment in your constituencies. You see, propaganda na NDC here opposition no. Now what do you? It was very powerful. And on my Ghana for GD say the government was not doing anything. They were not doing anything. That is the kind of things that painted the children Ghana for. And Ghana, as Omaya Yaranki say, the country with the lowest IQ in the world, number 8 there. You shouldn't be surprised when things like this is happening. But it is good say, Mohunin tem aende, Mwanka sama ba, Mokasa say, the government is not being fair to you people, and you guys are now regretting that you voted for them into power. But what can we do? What can we do? Because the harm has already been caused. So you just pray almost more than ever, or they will get you a new one. That's the only thing. That is the only thing. Because aside that, there is nothing we can do. There is nothing we can do. So we are all in this together. This 4 years is going to be long for all of us. You see, we are in 8 months, and by 4 months time we'll be in 2026. 2028 is just around the corner. Just make sure you say, Drew, man, you make a right decision the next time you go and vote. Ebusuya, hi Ghana and TV. Me, I'm not being coming at the promise. So I'm catching myself. Ebusuya, maybe I'm baby. I'm on more than say. We best subscribe to channel on the day. My yes and say, also subscribe here. The post here on Sabeka. No, who the cost for Ghana. Uyen soa is like no. O the video no. O share 2 seconds. Like kekemaye. O like kekekramaya. Ebe kwa ma unye bin society. Akebi. No one who near my air cost for Ghana ha. Near ma abaying no air. Ene inshare air cost wa embwa emo mine no enko nenim. Send the baby abaya kama. Ne twa teacher my na mo mine day. Aye ye na bibia so aye. Ghana and TV the near me so Ghana and the bro.